We've often driven past Peter Sefton's name on the board out the front. This year we realised it was an open day and we stopped. And we've looked round and we've been very impressed, particularly with the attention to detail and the friendly atmosphere. There's a dining room table that's absolutely fantastic. It really is brilliant, awe-inspiring, that piece. The amount of effort gone into it and the niceness of it and the detail is just incredible.
First and foremost, I'd like you all to see this table in action for the very last time.
Let's hope it works. Right, here we go, fingers crossed.
No pressure, no pressure.
Yeah, we've spoken to a couple. They gave us a good idea of what it was all about and how they got to their final pieces and what they've learnt along their journey over the year.
I originally came with the idea of making like a drinks cabinet, but then I sort of wanted to make it a bit more like specialised and a bit more exclusive, so went with the idea of champagne, and then it's just sort of snowballed into this bit of a crazy structural piece, if you will. And then obviously with the influence of Sean being like heavily influenced with the design and like pushing me to get more out of the design, pushing myself because it was a really, really complex piece. But yeah, I'm pleased with how it turned out and I'm proud that I did it, so yes.
It's been fantastic to see the pieces that the students have worked on, because I've seen on Facebook and on YouTube as well what they work on, but we have to see it in person. You can see the quality, and I think I've got to sign up for a course at some point, definitely. I mean, them all fantastic, but the egg in the tent to the right hand side, that is just stunning. I love how it opens up, and you expect there's going to be some kind of creature that comes out of it, but then it just opens up with the shelving. It's a beautiful piece all round, something completely different. So that's my favourite. It's hard to beat.
So this is my Geo egg. It's constructed from maple. There are 96 individual pieces in total, which come together to form the shell. It's a take on the curio or collector's cabinet. It's got a bespoke mechanism designed for the door to run in. So the initial concept for the egg itself came together quite quickly, but the actual getting the leg structure right and looking right and proportionate with the piece was actually quite tricky.
The range of the collections this year is singularly less extreme than last year. This year it's more mainstream, more commercial, and in fact more easy for me to understand. I haven't made up my mind yet, but I have a team behind me who are all from Gordon Russell, and I'm going to push them to do the judging this time. I'm just going to be in the background, having got away with it last year. And we give a Gordon Russell Museum Prize here as well, which is all part of our education programme for the museum. So I'm delighted that that's going to be happening once again here.
And to make a choice for the Gordon Russell Award is extremely difficult. And we have decided that the prize should go to Charles Colborne.
So the piece is a side table. It's in pear and sycamore. I sort of came up with this sort of parabolic leg idea, which is these sort of straight legs that combine to look like a curve of sorts. Awful lot of angles involved learning, relearning trigonometry and things, spreadsheets and so on and so forth. A lot of precision, and the pear topping is lovely. I'm going to set up a workshop at home, and then sort of try to just kind of build more stuff like this, and see where it takes me.
I mean, I just work out a shed, and I've got like DIY kind of tools, so to be able to see the professional machinery and how it's all set up, all precision, it's brilliant. The panterouser in particular, seeing how that works and how that's in use, I think that's kind of piqued my intrigue a little bit. I've got to play with it and make a central, so it's great to see it going again here today.
I'm particularly interested in the French polishing because we have a few items at home that need attention. I'd like to do it properly when I do it. So I don't live too far away, so why not come along and learn how to do it properly and go from there.
I'm interested in the beginners course, and coming today is going to be a really good idea what it's going to be about, and I'm looking forward to going ahead with it.